Cook with the perfect balance of steam and heat when using steam bake or steam roast in your Electrolux wall oven. Here are some tips to get you started. When prepping for steam cooking, first make sure to check that your oven is cold. Then, slowly pour 3 cups of water into the bottom of the oven cavity. Do not add water if the oven is warm or during the steam bake or steam roast cycle. Next, follow your recipe for preheating, cook time, and temperature. Cooking with steam means more moisture will be present than conventional baking or roasting. So keep in mind that moisture could cause condensation on the handle or in the oven door. Steam bake is recommended for baking fluffy and flavorful breads and pastries with improved browning, a higher rise, and flaky crusts. To set your oven to steam bake, touch Oven Modes and scroll to Steam Bake. Touch Next and follow the steam bake instructions for setting the temperature. Then touch Start and set your desired cook time. It's best to wait to set the cook time until after the oven has preheated. When using steam bake, use a flat rack in position 3 for the best results. Steam roast is recommended for roasting meat or poultry that results in a crispy outside and juicy inside. To set your oven to steam roast, touch Oven Modes and scroll to Steam Roast. Touch Next and follow the steam roast instructions for setting the temperature. Then touch Start and set your cook time. When cook time ends, the oven automatically turns off. When using steam roast, make sure to keep these rack positioning tips in mind. Use the lowest rack position for poultry, or cook a whole chicken on rack position 2. When you've completed your meal and are finished cooking with steam bake or steam roast, refer to your use and care manual for simple and safe cleaning instructions. Whether you find yourself craving savory meats or buttery baked goods, you can bring more flavor to the table with steam bake and steam roast. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.